My dear students, welcome to my next class. In today's class, we are going to solve a 5 marks question. Okay, so in which topic? On the internal reconstruction. Internal reconstruction ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ 5 marks question solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. This questions comes in 2019 as per RCUB ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಓಕೆ, RCUB ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 2019 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಐ ಸೇಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಐ ಸೇಡ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? पहले कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कैपिटल रिडक्शन, नेक्स्ट पास दी जर्नल एंट्रीज, एंड द लास्ट वन इज व्हाट अवर बैलेंस शीट. ओके, so three things: one is capital reduction, journal entries, and the balance sheet. But my dear students, here we are going to calculating which how many marks question here? Only 5 marks. Okay, so here we are calculating how many marks question? 5 marks. So no need to go for any balance sheet here. Only in this problem what we have to do? We have to calculate our first capital reduction, and the next one is what? Our journal entries. Okay, before going to know the question, again we have to go through what our journal entries. So in journal entries I said how many things will come. First one is based on share capital, another one is based on creditors and the debenture holders. Okay, and the third one is based on what our general reserve and the profit and loss if credit balance is given. Fourth one is what our for increase in fixed assets. Okay, if any assets given which is increased, that time we have to take all the balance in debit things. And the last one what we have to do, after calculating each and everything, whatever balance comes for capital reduction we have to utilize here. Okay, this is the 5 entries. So 5 entries is based on share capital, creditors and debenture holders. Third one is here credit balance of general reserve and profit and loss account if any assets given in the form of increased, and the last one is what? Final entries is nothing but what here? Capital reduction. Okay, so this is the journal entries. Now come to the problem. We'll go detailedly first. So there is a problem here. Sahana Company Limited decided to go in for internal reconstruction. Following is the scheme reconstruction. Okay, this question comes in 2019. So my dear student, what information they have given? Sahana company ಐತಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಮ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು? ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Now come to the first one. So what is the information given already? और कड़े ये नहीं थी information इल्ली see. So यहाँ पे already information दिया गया है regarding equity shares. Okay, so how many equity shares are here? 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid. So here how many equity shares are there? 20,000 equity shares, which rupees how much? 10 each, which is paid fully. How much? 10 rupees. But they reduced to rupees 5 each, fully paid. It means what? Total equity shares are there 20,000 per 10 rupees each as per before. When they are going to reduce, how much reduced they here? They reduced here 5 rupees. So how much ಇಲ್ಲಿ reduce ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು? 5 rupees. Again come to the next information. 10,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid, reduced to shares of rupees 5 each, fully paid. So again same information here. How many preference shares are given here? 10,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each. So as per the before internal reconstruction, how much it is given? So 10,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid. So after making internal reconstruction, how much they reduce here? Again 5 rupees each. Okay, so this is the second information. The first one is based on equity share capital, and next one is based on what here? Preference share capital. Okay, so now come to the third information. The third information is based on what here? Debentures. So debentures ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? So if they are getting huge losses means here we can adopt the debenture also. Okay, so what information they have given for debentures here? 100 debentures they have given, which is based on 10% of rupees 1,000 each. So total debentures is how much here? 100. So what is the per debenture here? 1000 each, which is converted into 500. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಮೊದಲ 100 ಇತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, ಇದು 500 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 100 each. So when they done, how much it becomes? 500 converted their shares into 500, which is rupees 100 each. Okay, now come to the next fourth information, the debit balance of profit and loss account. So debit balance is nothing but what here? Accumulated losses. Okay, this is nothing but what here? Accumulated losses. That is nothing but 50,000. Preliminary expenses how much here? 60,000. Where to be written off means after calculation of capital reduction, first we have to know how much capital reduction we got here. After that we'll go for the write off these things. Okay, again the next in the final information they have given, the value of plant and machinery and stock were written down. It means what? It is not an increased amount. It is not a increased amount, but what exactly they have given here? Written down. So written down ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? In the fifth entry by rupees how much here? 30,000 and rupees 25,000 respectively. Okay, this is the problem. So what is the last conclusion? Pass the journal entries in the above books of the company. Okay, so my dear student, this is the problem. The first information is based on equity share capital, second one is based on preference share capital, third one is based on debenture holders, and the fourth one is based on the loss balance, means the debit balance which is based on profit and loss account and the preliminary expenses, and the final conclusion is based on plant and machinery and the stock, which is nothing but an decreased asset, that is nothing but the written down. Okay, so I told you in last class, first what we have to do, we have to calculate what our capital reduction. First what we have to do here, our capital reduction. So my dear student, let's go to the calculation. So first of all what we have to do here, calculation of capital reduction. So my dear student, see the information. First I have taken here, what I have taken? Equity shares capital, which is nothing but 20,000 of rupees 5 each. So see the first information. So 20,000 shares ಐತಿ. ಆ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? 5. means 10 minus 5 means it becomes how much? Again 5. So we converted this share into 1 lakh. So here our share capital ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 1 lakh. It means first 20,000 into 10 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? equity shares ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 lakh ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. But when we reduced the equity share capital become how much here? 1 lakh. Okay, this is the first calculation. Now come to the next one. The second one is nothing but our preference share capital, same like that. So first see, 10,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, it means it becomes total how much here? 1 lakh. But when we reduce it, the value become of the share is how much here? 5 each. So here how much we reduce? ಮೊದಲು ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 1 lakh ಇತ್ತು. When we reduce of rupees 5 each, it becomes how much here? 50,000. Okay, so पहले कितना था? 10,000 प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स ऑफ रुपीज 10 ईच होने की वजह से कितना होता था? 1 लाख. लेकिन हम लोग रिड्यूस कितना किए हैं यहाँ पे? 5 rupees each. So it becomes how much here? 50,000. So we reduced how much here? 50,000. Now come to the next, that is nothing but debentures. So why we have taken here old and new? Why I have taken here old and new? I told you na, what I said, when they are sacrificing something, that old debentures will be converted into new debentures. So here the information given, what 100, that is nothing but 10% debentures of rupees 1,000 each. So come to the point here, 100 into rupees 1,000 each, the total debentures becomes how much here? 1 lakh. How much it become here? Debenture ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ total ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1 lakh ಐತಿ. When we are converted into new shares, it becomes how much? 500 debentures of rupees 100 each. So see here. So when we have to make the debenture, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? old debentures ನಲ್ಲಿ less ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? new debentures ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is nothing but 500 into rupees 100 each. It becomes how much here? 50,000. So total ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 1 lakh ಇತ್ತು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 50,000 reduce ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 50,000. Okay, so as per equity share capital we got reduction 1 lakh. For rupees for share preference share we got 50,000, and for on debenture holders we got 50,000. When we combine all three things, capital reduction we got it here how much? 2 lakh. Okay, simple calculation. First 20,000 into rupees 5 each means 20,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each, which is reduced amount. Same like here and here also, but this is totally different. Why? Because these debenture holders are converting. Because of that, that converting debentures are called as new debentures. So first ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು 100 into rupees 1000 each ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 1 लाख. यहाँ पे पहले कितना था 100 debenture holders थे जिसकी वैल्यू थी 1000 per each, तो it becomes 1 lakh. When we converted these debentures into new things, it becomes how much? 500 into rupees 100 each, it becomes 50,000. So here the new debenture value कितना मिला यहाँ पे 50,000. When we combine all these three things, that is nothing but 1 lakh 50,000. The total capital reduction becomes how much here? 2 lakh. Okay, simple calculation. Okay, simple calculation. Now go for it. Journal entries. Now go for it. Journal entries. So see, my dear students, I told. So how many journal entries are there? Totally 5. One is based on share capital. First one is based on share capital. Share capitals are nothing but maybe it is equity share capital, maybe it is preference share capital. Okay. So this is all called what here? Share capital. So my dear students, come to the now next first journal entry. So first journal entry is nothing but equity share capital account to debtors. See, here we got now 1 lakh. These things we have where we have taken into the debit balance. Okay, so here equity share capital account debtor is 1 lakh and the preference share capital account is how much left? How much? 50,000. When we got this, both become how much here? 1,50,000. This entirely 1,50,000 we transferred where? To the capital reduction account, that is nothing but 1,50,000. Okay. See, this is 1 lakh, this is 50,000. Total become how much here? 1,50,000. Therefore, this 1,50,000 entirely amount where we have transferred to the capital reduction account. So my dear students, you know the basic rules of journal entries. When we are passing the journal entries, definitely we have to pass the narration also. So see the narrations here. Being, okay, come to the point. Being 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each reduced by rupees 5 each per paid up share, and again 10,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each reduced by rupees 5 each per paid up share. Okay, this is the narration. So पहले क्या था यहाँ पे 20,000 शेयर जो इक्विटी शेयर्स के थे, कितने के थे? 10 रुपीज ईच थे, जो हमने रिड्यूस करके 5 रुपीज में कन्वर्ट किए. एंड यहाँ पे प्रेफरेंस शेयर जो 10,000 था वो 10 ईच को था, जो हमने रिड्यूस करके 5 रुपीज में कन्वर्ट कर दिए. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द फर्स्ट जनरल एंट्रीज विच इज बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट ईयर? शेयर capital. Okay, this is called what here? First entry, that is nothing but share capital. See, 1,50,000, same 1,50,000. The capital reduction become how much here? 1,50,000 as per first entry. As per first entry. Now go for the next one. So second one is based on what? Our debentures account. So see, my dear student, here the total debentures is how much given? 1 lakh. So total debenture ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ 1 lakh ಬಂದೈತಿ. So same that the debentures accounts to debtor, that is nothing but totally 1 lakh. So this entirely 1 lakh where we transfer to new debentures account. So here we got na when we converted these things, we got new debentures now, which is nothing but 500 into 100 each. Okay, so this is called whatever to new debenture accounts. For example, total ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 1 lakh ಐತಿ. 1 lakh ಐತಿ. ಆ 1 lakh ನಲ್ಲಿ 50,000 ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ? 50,000. So this 50,000 where we are transferring to the capital reduction account. Okay, this is a simple logic. So first ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 lakh ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ? 50,000. टैली ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ बैलेंस, इट कांट बी टैली. यहाँ पे टैली नहीं हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे 1 lakh है और यहाँ पे 50,000 है, तो अभी भी बैलेंस कितना बच रहा है? 50,000. दिस 50,000 इज नथिंग बट वॉट एवर टू कैपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट. सी माई डियर स्टूडेंट, as per share capital we got 1 lakh plus 50,000 becomes 1,50,000. Here we taken in the first entry, and total reduction is how much here? 2 lakh. Total reduction is how much here? 2 lakh, and here 1 lakh plus 50,000 we have taken 1,50,000 here, and remaining 50,000 where we took? We have we took here in the form of debentures, in the form of debentures entry. Okay, this is the second entry. So being conversion of old debentures into new one to settlement of their claim. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ we are converting old debentures into new one. This is the second entry. Okay, this is the second entry. Now come to the point. You are thinking, ma'am, totally there are 5 entries here, like share capital, debentures, then creditors, reserve, then here assets, and last one is capital reduction. But in this problem only 3 entries we passed. One is based on share capital and another one is based on debentures, and last one is nothing but here capital reduction account. Okay, so why we are taken here? See the problem. This problem is based on this much information. This much information. Because of that reason, जितना दिया रहता है उतना ही हमें पास करना है. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಐತಿ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅದು ನೋಡೋದು, ಏನೇನೈತಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು डोंट बिकम कंफ्यूज डोंट बिकम कंफ्यूज मत हो जाओ कि हमें सभी डालना है, सभी पास करना है. नहीं, जितना इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रॉब्लम में दिया रहता है उसी को हम लोग यहाँ पे कन्वर्ट करना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जर्नल एंट्रीज. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. The final entry is nothing but what our capital reduction account. So my dear students, see capital reduction ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 2 lakh ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು 1,50,000 from this share capital and remaining this 50,000 from where, from the debenture holders. So total become how much here? 2 lakh. Total become how much here? 2 lakh. See, this information is over, this information is over, this information is over. Now 4th and 5th, see what is the information they have given here? The debit balance of profit and loss account. How much they have given? 50,000. Debit balance is nothing but loss. How much they have given? 50,000. Again preliminary expenses also a debit balance, that is also nothing but one type of loss. So here it is nothing but 60,000. So what we have to do? We have to write off here. So we have to write off here. See, first we have taken to P&L account, that is nothing but 50,000. Preliminary expenses 60,000. Now come to the 4th entry. Return down means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ, ಡೌನ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ is rupees 30,000 and stock is nothing but 25,000. So we have to take here. This is nothing but 50, 60, 30 and the 25,000. Total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 4 ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ ನಮ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್? 2 lakh ಐತಿ. 2 lakh ನಲ್ಲಿ 50,000 ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್. ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ 2 lakh ಆಗ್ತೈತಿನ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 lakh ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಡೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತು, ನಮ್ದು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ 1,65,000. ಸೊ 1,65,000 means 2 lakh minus 1,65,000. The balance is left here how much? 35,000. The balance is left how much here? 35,000. This 35,000 goes to where? To the capital reserve account. So I told you in the last class when we are discussing about the journal entries, if any balance is left, if another balance remaining, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? to the capital reserve account. Okay, so this is nothing but whatever the capital reduction account. Now pass the narration. Being capital reduction amount utilized to write off the value of an assets and the balance of rupees 35,000 transfers to capital reserve. So what we have done here, whatever capital reduction amount we got now, what we done here, we utilized to write off the value of an assets. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿತ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ made the internal reconstruction. Because of that reason, again we left balance how much here? 35,000. This entire 35,000 transferred where? To the capital reserve account. So this is the simple calculation, my dear students. Just go for it and calculate and See, if you have textbook, then follow it remaining questions. You'll get to know how to calculate. Okay, simple way. See the entire questions properly, then go through first capital reduction account, how to calculate the capital reduction, and afterwards pass the journal entries. This is the simple question which comes in 2019 question paper. If you have question paper, then solve it remaining questions. In next class I'm going to solve another ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ವೆನ್ ನೀವು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ಅವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.